Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Anything you do does help the channel. And if you want to help out a little more, you can head over to my Patreon and get yourself a mug or a sticker or even a tote bag. Link will be in the description. Alright everybody, so I got this vinyl cutter. It does cards too. And you can make t-shirts and things like that. You can do lots of stuff with this. I thought it really helped the channel. I am on the road and on the travel all the time. So for anyone saying, hey, why didn't you get the big one? Why don't you do this? I got the small one. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And I could bring it with me when I do things. Hooks up to my phone. I don't got to bring a computer. Just because when I am on the road, I do have the time to do projects. And if I get as busy as I think I could be, getting the portable one will be way handier. And also the portable one was $150 cheaper than the next option. For something I didn't need and that was way big, like this is, you know, this big. That one's way big, takes up a lot of space. I do not have a lot of space. So if anyone's wondering, that's why I got this. Also, I want to thank everybody on my super chat because I paid for this with all your guys' super chats all over the last couple of months. So I was able to take earnings from YouTube that you guys all gave me, the super chats. I specifically want to thank Nicholas Camelli, Onion, 2 a.m. Pipe on the Patio, and Shatteroo, and all my patrons and everyone like that. But the ones I named specifically, those guys donated the most in super chats and things like that. So I just wanted to give them a shout out and thanks for everything. I really appreciate that, guys. That was top notch stuff. And like I said, anything you guys do for me, I put back into the channel. I don't spend any of the earnings I make on YouTube on myself, which isn't a lot, mind you. You know what I mean? Like this was $200. It took me months, and before nobody would even super chat me. So you know, super chat is kind of a new thing for me. So with that money, I got this, and thank you guys. I really appreciate that for believing me. I took this out of the box it came in, and I cut this piece of tape here so I could open it. And this is gonna make everything I do much cleaner, much crisper. Wow, this really comes in a nice box. I didn't know they. So this is the machine. I guess it sits like that. The front opens up or something. Like I said, I know nothing. I know nothing about this. I'm sorry if you wanted to watch this unboxing to find out a ton of info on this machine. I will not have that here because I know nothing about these. This is all new to me. I'm just learning. So this is where we're at, guys. But okay, so there's a cardboard divider in here. And there appears to be a bunch of other things in the bottom. Okay, so there is definitely a power supply needed. Thus, the power supply and adapter. We could put those off to the side. I just want to mention, though, that power supply and that adapter are very thick and heavy and do feel of high quality. I am impressed with that. Okay, so what is this? Open me. Alright. Let me see what we got here. Oh, okay, cool. Let's get started. What's in here? Okay, go to cricut.com/setup. We walk through everything. Use these during setup. Smart vinyl and blade. Good. Now go to circuit.com/create. You'll learn how to use these items and more. Fine pen point. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing this pen is to draw crude images. Okay, so this seems to be some sort of card material. I'm guessing this is a practice for the card. I'll just put that right here for a second. It also comes with a small piece of vinyl to try out and test and things like that. This wasn't supposed to be here till the end of the week, from what they said, and it came a week early, so I wasn't expecting this. I ordered some vinyl too, and it didn't come here. And I don't know, I didn't want to use this because none of it was this shiny black gray, this shiny metallic gray color. So I kind of want to save this for a thing. I was going to cut to a video of me using this thing after, but I decided against it just because I don't really know how to use it yet, guys. We'll see. I will drop other videos of me using it and how to use it later. I don't think it's detrimental to my health to be able to use this right now in this video. This is just an unboxing video. Okay, so this is the Cricut Joy. Now, these are the widest dimensions it could cut. So what is that? It says 4.5 inches. So the biggest we could go is 4.5. Sorry, guys. The biggest we can go is 4.5 inches. So, and it will print longer than this cutting sheet is. It says in some reviews I did read. It will cut longer. Apparently these mats are expensive and you have to buy them yourself. They do feel funny. I want to take this out of the bag. I want to feel what this texture is on the front. Okay, so it's just like a very clean piece of plastic. Very smooth, but it also feels grippy. I don't know. One of the most expensive pieces of cardboard you're gonna get. Whatever this mat is. I think it's like heat resistant 2 or something like that. I know I will have to be scraping it off and cleaning it frequently. As far as warranty, I don't know how long the manufacturer warranty is. Oh, 1 year warranty. So there is a 1 year manufacturing warranty. So I will be keeping all the extras. And now, okay, that appears to be it in the box except this pen. So, in this pen, there's an adapter you put in there and it'll hold the pen and draw pictures from what it showed on the front of the box and in those pictures. So, now that we got that out of the way, let's look at the thing. Let's see what we got here. Now we got that out of the way. Let's look at what more it does. Use your smartphone or computer to create any custom project in minutes. Easily switch between a blade for cutting and pens for writing and drawing. Cuts individual shapes up to 4 feet long and makes continuous cuts up to 20 feet long with a cutting mat. So it will do 20 feet long banners if I have to. But I will never need something that long, so I'm not too concerned about it. Now let's get this stuff out of the way, guys. And let's take a look at this machine here. Let's open her up. Alright, so it comes completely sealed in its own plastic, which is nice. I like that they did do that. You know you're getting a fresh, perfect machine when it is something like that. I might have a video on how to set this up or something like that. I don't know. It's gonna take, I'm not great with computers, guys. It's gonna take me a long time to figure it out. Things like that. But I'm gonna have this thing running absolutely non-stop. Let me tell you, this thing is cool. Oh. Okay. Alright. So there's the inside. You know, just ready for tons of work this thing is gonna do. This is going to make my Zippo etching and engraving or anything I want to do so much easier and so much crisper, straighter lines and just all symmetrical and looking good. I cannot wait for the quality of the projects I'm going to be doing with this thing and just all the stickers I'm going to make. I make vinyl stickers and t-shirts and hats and masks or whatever people want, man. I'm going to be making it. So, obviously, you know, just for my YouTube channel, like I'm not going to be starting some sort of sticker company or something. Like I'm just doing it for my YouTube channel. So it looks like this is where the blade comes out, the pen goes in. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty amazing stuff. I'm very happy with this. Thank you to all my super chatters and everyone who supports me on Patreon and everyone who just watches my videos too. You know, you guys are part of this too. I do make a little bit for people watching my videos too. So everyone's a part of this. Saved up for a couple months to buy this. Thank you everybody very much. This is my unboxing video. You're going to be seeing this in a lot more of my videos because I'm going to be using it a lot. So thanks everybody. Take care.